Closing market comments for Thursday, April the 1st. The markets opened higher last night after closing limit up in corn and beans yesterday. Corn was up 15 to 20 cents, beans up 20 to 30 cents, and wheat up 7 cents during the night trade. As the day moved on, grains came under pressure with all the grains down, filling the gaps that were left at the open last night. At the end of the day, corn was down 4 cents on old, up 7 on new. Beans were down 35 cents on old, up 7 on new. And wheat was down 7 cents on old and 5 cents on new. Weekly export sales this morning were somewhat disappointing. Corn sales of 31.4 million, down from 174.2 the previous week and 72.8 last year, with 24 to 47 expected, but only 500,000 bushels a week needed. Soybean sales were 3.9 million, up slightly from last week at 3.7, and well below last year at 19.2, with 4 to 17 expected, and only 600,000 needed. Wheat sales were 9.2 million bushels, down from 12.6 the previous week, but above last year at 2.7, with 5 to 17 expected, and 1 million per week needed. Pressure on the soybeans also came from rumors that China has lost 20% of the sow herd in their northern provinces. That put pressure on bean meal as well. Bean meal closed down $13 a ton today. The drought continues in the Dakotas. France shut down for 4 more weeks because of COVID. The dollar was down 271 points at 92.965. Gold was up 13.50 at 17.2910, and silver was up 413 points at 24.95. Crude oil was higher on talk that at the OPEC meeting was not going to increase oil production. Crude closed the day up $2.13 at 61.29. Stocks were all higher on the day, with Dow futures up 78, NASDAQ up 205, and S&P up 32, breaking through 4,000 for the first time on the S&P. A couple notes out of yesterday's report: Indiana corn acres were down 200,000, soybean acres were down 100,000, and wheat acres were up 80,000. So the question is, where are those other 220,000 acres? The U.S. is still 4.1 million acres below the 2018 planting level. Remember, in 19 and 20, both we had prevent plant substantially in 19. So question again, where are the 4.1 million acres? And if you put 2 million onto corn and 2 million onto beans, we get pretty close to the projected numbers that everybody was talking about. So with that, have a good evening, and thanks for watching.